creamy, tasty, nutritious, easy, smoky flavored super soup. Pumpkin soup is all I brought for you today. This very one is a must try for everyone. It tastes super delicious and very easy to prepare. That is the pumpkin I'll be using. You can see it there. I've rinsed it. Hygiene is very, very important. So I'm going to slice it now into two. Voila. That is it. It's now time to clean the inside. We don't need the sage. Okay, you can use your spoon to do this. This is very, very easy. Let me quickly use this opportunity to say thank you so much to all my returning subscribers. You guys are the best. Thank you so much for being there. If today is the first time on this channel, kindly hit your subscribe button, join us here, and turn on your notifications as well, so that you will be getting notification whenever I upload another amazing recipe. So lovely. I've cleared the very first one, and the second one is what I'm clearing now. That's how it's going to be, because like I've said, we don't need the seed. Look at them. That is how it's going to look after cleaning them. I'm going to keep it aside and bring the next ingredients. What I have here is garlic. Yes, you don't need to peel it, just cut it into two like I'm doing right now. I've sliced it into two. I'm going to keep it aside. I need a glass now. If you do not be using a glass, feel free to use your oven tray. That's the glass I'll be using. I'm just going to place the pumpkin into it now, and other ingredients you're going to see one after the other. What I have here are carrots. I've peeled the carrots. Okay, I peeled it and I'm arranging it now in the glass. I'm also going to add the garlic I sliced into two. After that, I'll be adding my onions. This is one onion. I'm just going to slice it into two. You don't need to cut it into or dice it. You don't need to do that. Just into two pieces. And I have yellow bell pepper. Feel free to use red or green. It doesn't matter. But I want it to be this yellow orange color. Okay, so I sprinkled some olive oil on top of them. After that, I put it in the oven 200 centigrade for about 40 to 45 minutes. So lovely, I brought it out. Depends on your oven. It could be only 30 minutes you're going to need, but let it be a little bit burnt on top of it like this, because it's going to give it the super smoky flavor and the super aroma. You will not regret it. I peel the place, they roast something on the pumpkin. I'm not going to peel the rest. Okay, like I've said, I'm going to leave it like that. Look at how soft it is. I'm only going to remove the top like this. I removed where the roast something, and it's now time to just cut it into small pieces. Okay, for easy blending. That's what I'm doing now. I'm preparing for blending it. Now I got my blender and I transferred everything into the blender cup. Okay, and for easy blending, I'm going to also add some water into it. You can see how I put everything, and look at the garlic. Like I said, you don't need to peel it at the beginning. It is so easy. After bringing it out from the oven, just press it, everything will come out from its shell. So I blended it till smooth. Now I transferred it into a pot, added some salt into it like an African girl, added some chili for the heat vibe, and a bit of sugar into it. Lovely. I gave it a very good mix together. It has to be well combined, and I'm going to cover it now and allow it to cook for about 5 minutes. The aroma here is super. At this stage, feel free to add coconut cream or cream into this, but lovely, this is how I enjoy this. It is super good. Prepare your soup, your pumpkin soup this way next time, and I bet you're going to say thank you so much to Tolulicious Kitchen. It tasted super, super good. Please don't forget to hit your subscribe button. Remember to share and keep the recipe, so when you're going to need it. Thank you so much for watching. Till I come your way next time, let me say bye-bye. Let me go enjoy this. See you all. Bye-bye.